everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to make gold notes on Instagram. So first thing you're going to need to do is go ahead and go to your Instagram application and then log into your account. Now once you're here, just have to go to the messaging section or message section so that you can put your notes. And please take note that this will only work if your Instagram application is up to date. So you have to make sure that your application is updated. So let's now try to put note. So to make your notes gold, there are specific keywords that you have to include in your notes. So let's say, for example, gold. Here are the key notes that you have to include in your notes to make your note gold. Just like that. You can also put the medal emoji and the goat emoji. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!